One, welcome to Lifestyle on the Fly. We are a lifestyle channel, but we focus on fashion and beauty, but we dabble into other lifestyle content such as DIY, cook with me, travel, relationships, finance, you name it, we talk about it. There's nothing off the table, so if you want to get into a few things, feel free to leave a comment below and we can talk about it, okay? So what's up, y'all? I am back. I am getting dressed. I'm about to head out. I got a few errands to run, and I decided to put on a few clothes and take you guys along with me. If you remember the last video that I posted, I had several things from Zara that needed to be exchanged, so I'm just gonna run out really quick to take those back. And I was like, well, why not? I'll take you guys along with me. If we see something cute in the store, maybe I could try it on in the fitting room, or just show you guys to give you an idea of some other things that you can pick up. And if not, it's cool, because if you stay until the end of this video, what this video is really about, I have a mini haul for you guys from a few. It's like a collective mini haul that I picked up from a few different places, and it will be shoes, accessories, well, sneakers, shoes, and accessories. So you want to stay tuned so you can see some cute sneakers that's that you may want to grab for the new season, for the spring season, and carry it along into the summer, and also some heels, kitten heels too, believe it or not, and a little bag or two that I have, okay? So stay with me until the end and you will see all the goods, but for now, we are going to Zara's, and I'm gonna do an outfit check.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right, body booties. I put that on my mama, on my hood.
Okay guys, so here is my outfit of the day. I have on this denim jumper that you probably have seen before in like how to style. This is actually my first time wearing it. I purchased this from Target last year. I paired it with this white belt along with my white Stan Smith, and I have my MTM case as well with blue, reds, a few different colors, orange and everything in it. My scent of the day is Burberry Goddess. It smells so good, and I have on like my basic accessories. I'll show you that in a moment, but yeah, this is my outfit check. And my boo, come on Ace, he's going to give you guys a quick outfit check for him today too, just in case there's some guys that's watching and want to get fly like him. So babe, tell them what you got on.
So top is gonna be Yankee hat designed by my man T. Sweatshirt by Zara, jacket actually by Zara, raw denim slim fit jeans by Uniqlo. Of course, I got the ultimate Air Force Ones. Can't go wrong without those. And the scent for the day is gonna be Chanel Allure.
Okay, and that's it, you guys. So I'll show you the jewelry, and hold my bag, baby, as a matter of fact. So here's the jewelry. It's just some bracelets made by me, and then these two other bangles are from TJ Maxx, and then my JBW watch, and I have a white what's this, Coach bangle as well, and this is the fragrance here. Okay, so we're gonna be out the door. We're gonna hit Target. I mean, not Target. We're gonna hit Zara, and then we're gonna come back, and I'm gonna do the collective haul with the shoes and accessories. Okay, stay tuned. What's up, gang? Let's start with this Zara fitting room haul. This cute little red dress is super cute, but a little too short, and it is a size medium, super stretchy. This next dress comes in about 3 different colors. That's a size large that I have on. Little too tight, and I think it only went to a large. And the next dress, this is this denim dress with the empire shoulders, super cute. I think is a extra large that I have on. Absolutely no stretch, but the length is perfect. into this next skirt. I have this from last year's Zara in the dress. That's a size medium that I have on, so I had to go up a size. Very little stretch in that dress skirt. This two-piece set is super comfortable. I have on a size small, so it does run pretty big. It comes in 4 other colors as well. These pants are dark denim with a white piping. There's no stretch, and I have on a large. I think that's the biggest size, and I barely fit them. These brown pants are so cute, are so comfortable. The video doesn't do them any justice, and they also come in a khaki color as well. This Nets two-piece gray set is cute with the splits on the side of the shirt, and it has cuffs at the ankle. Cute. I have on a size small, so yeah, you can size down, and I'm out the door. Okay, so I'm back in the house. We're gonna do a little unboxing together, get down to the meat and potatoes of this video. So this is shoes and accessories. Yeah, I think that's it, shoes and accessories. I did pick up a few things from Zara, but you guys will see that on maybe next week on another video, because I'm gonna put a few things together, but I will be sharing that with you as well. The main part of this is to show you these accessories and these shoes and different things that I have, okay? So let's get down to business. And I'm gonna pop everything on the screen for you guys so you'll have a better look at it, because it's nothing that I'm gonna try on. I'm just doing an unboxing with you. So the first one is this chain belt that I purchased from Amazon. It's like a Chanel-y little dupe. Super cute. So I can get it out of the plastic. See, it's a chain belt. It's so adorable. It comes in silver as well, and it has like a little bag attached to it. And you really just, I guess I could just throw this on, but I will pop a picture. Just kind of belt it, if you guys can see, and it kind of hangs. But you know, I'll style it for you in the future. So yeah, that's the first thing. And they do have this still in stock, whether you want a gold one or you want a silver one. I'll leave the links below for this. This is one thing that I know I do have a link for. This belt, belt chain. And then you guys also remember that Yankee hat, the Yankee jacket that I showed you last week in the Zara haul, and I told you I had something to go with it because I have a look for it. And it's this hat, and this was purchased from Amazon as well. And I'll just pop the picture of the jacket again just as a reminder. And this is the hat. So yeah, I'm gonna put a look together for you guys, and this will be in the description box as well. And it does come in other colors as well as other letters. My next thing is this little Coach, if you want to call it like a, I don't know what you want to call the shape of this, I forgot. Anywho, I'll pop it here. And this is super cute. And I purchased this from the Coach outlet, which if you're looking for any like reasonable price purses or anything like that for the summer, but you don't want to spend a bag on it, Coach is hitting right now. Prices are very reasonable. Even in the regular Coach store, the prices are reasonable, but in the outlet, you can definitely get the bang for your buck. So I would say start there. If you want to add some color, like last year, I bought like a nice leather. It wasn't like, didn't have the Coach logo, but it's just like a nice leather bag, and I got it in like a mint green, which is super pretty. So you can definitely go there and get something for a couple $100, sometimes cheaper than that, because this I think was about, I think for this I also purchased a wallet, the little card holder for it as well. And I think both of these together, it was under $100, okay? Under $100, so you can't beat that, all right? So on to the next one. More Coach. I didn't purchase this from the outlet. I was trying to, but it was sold out in my size. So I got these online at Dillard's. So they did have them, and they had a few different colors. but it has a nice little kitten heel for you girls that don't like high heels. But yeah, and it goes with my bag. And here we go. So yeah, these are super cute. You can wear leisure, you know, running around because the heel isn't high. I feel comfortable wearing something like this in the office as well. So this will be a little cute summer spring vibe too. And more shoes. I love shoes. Alexander McQueen. Not, I'm talking about Alexander McQueen. Alexander Wayne. I'm bugging. These here, I love these. Here they go. They are beautiful, and they're like a little stonewash gray color, you know, kind of like the old school color of like when you was wearing like stonewash or acid wash denim. They are denim, but it's in black and in gray. These came in white, they came in red, they came in all sorts of colors. What else? They did have this in the lighter blue denim as well, and these were purchased off Saks. Just in case. Okay, next are Cortez. I love this. They give me a little bit of platform, which is good for you short girls. These are, besides the Sambas, are one of my favorite like summer sneakers because you can wear these with like denim skirts, long skirts, slip skirts, slip dresses. It looks really cute and sporty. Put on like a little hat with it if you want to, and you got a nice little light fit that's cute and you're ready to go. Okay, so I got these in two colors. I bought them in the red and white, and I repurposed them in the black and white. I had some black and white ones a while back, but the sizing is really crazy on these. They used to run smaller, but they've changed that a little bit, so they have a little more room on them now. And of course I got in the black and white. Okay, and I have one more. Okay, sorry about that. So what is summer and spring without a fresh new pair of Sambas? Get into these colors, ladies and gentlemen. And I love these too because these could very much be worn in the fall. The green and the mustard color yellow is, I think this is like what, Brazil colors, but I love them. And then it has the dark brown gum sole. So yeah, and they had these, I think they came in pink and one other color, like pink and red or something. If I find them, I'll pop them on the screen. But yes, so yes, so these are my new spring and summer sneakers. I'm sure I'll probably be getting more as the season move on, but I just wanted to show you that little quick accessory shoes collection haul. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you are new here, please subscribe. If you see something that you like, something that's useful on this channel, please become a family member, and the only way you can do it is by subscribing. Okay, love you guys for free, and I will see you next week on the next video.
I put that on my